Hey guys, it's Sara with AmericanTrucks.com, and in this episode of The Haul, we're going to check out the first 5 mods that I picked for the 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500. There's been a lot of buzz about the 2019 Silverado and its new look that really stands out in the crowd of pickups. Now this new design looks and functions great, but good luck telling us not to modify our truck to make it even better. So without further ado, here are my picks for the 2019 Silverado's first 5 mods. Most trucks have a slight rake from the factory, which means the back of your truck is going to sit a bit higher than the front to aid in towing. For those of you who don't like this look or don't plan to tow on a daily basis, a leveling kit is a great solution to the factory rake. A leveling kit, as the name implies, brings up the front of your truck so it sits level with the rear. Also, if you're looking to comfortably add larger tires to your truck, a leveling kit will ensure you can run larger wheels and tires by giving you that much needed suspension lift in the front. Now, a lift kit will also remove the factory rake and will allow you to run larger tires, but they can get much higher price-wise because they require additional parts and a much more involved installation process. A leveling kit is a great entry-level and much more budget-friendly solution. So with that in mind, I chose the ProComp Suspension 2¼ inch leveling kit because it's a relatively simple and budget-friendly way to prepare your truck for larger wheels and tires. This leveling kit allows for the addition of up to 33-inch tires while still leaving plenty of room for clearance when driving and eliminates that factory rake. This kit consists of 2 strut spacers for each side that will increase the front of your truck 2¼ inches, giving your truck a more level appearance. The spacers are constructed from billet aluminum, and the kit includes a top and bottom spacer, simplifying the installation process. Because of the way this kit is designed with 2 spacers instead of just 1 large top spacer, install can be completed without dropping the lower control arm. Although this leveling kit is considerably less complicated to install than a full lift kit, you will still need a professional alignment afterwards. And because this kit features direct bolt-up installation, there is no permanent modification to your truck if you choose to go back to stock or upgrade to a lift down the road. Lifts or leveling kits just beg for aftermarket wheels and tires, so now that our truck is level, let's move on to our next mod, wheels and tires. I chose this 20x9 Fuel Maverick wheel in gloss black, wrapped in this Nitto Terra Grappler G2 all-terrain tire. It's a 275/60 R20, which is equivalent to about a 33-inch tire. I went with an all-terrain tire because it really is the best of both worlds. You get the upgraded look and function over an all-season, like the ones that come factory. These are going to give you more grip in off-road situations, but the all-terrain isn't going to be as noisy as a mud terrain, so you can still take your truck on the highway. If you're looking to get the best of both worlds and you're planning to take your truck off-roading on occasion, or you just want to add some performance to your daily driver, these tires are an excellent choice. This 20x9 wheel features one-piece aluminum construction with a gloss black milled finish. They have an offset of only +1 millimeter, so they sit flush with your fenders, similar to stock, but the 20-inch fuel wheel is a nice appearance upgrade over the factory 18s. The wheel style really does come down to personal preference, and I like this particular set because it delivers that upgraded look without being too over the top. This setup fills the wheel well nicely and still leaves room for your suspension to travel without hitting or rubbing. A set of side steps is another popular first mod for truck owners, and for good reason. Side steps make it easier to get into your truck, especially if it's lifted, and allows you to add a bit of side protection and some of your own style in the process. There are a ton of options out there for side steps, but I picked these Barricade HD steps because of their unique drop step design and the black powder coat that goes nicely with the look of our truck. The Barricade HD steps feature a drop step which brings down the stepping surface and comes in handy especially if your truck is lifted or leveled like ours. These Barricade steps feature a tubular steel construction with a textured black powder coat finish, and with the raised steel step pads will provide easy access to your truck in all weather. These are a great option because they deliver the aggressive look of a high-end drop step while still leaving some money in your pocket for other modifications. Stock exhausts are almost always lacking sound-wise. With large restricted mufflers from the factory, you can barely hear the 5.3-liter engine roar. One of the first modifications that most truck owners do is swap out the stock exhaust for something that is sure to wake it up and make the drive more enjoyable. I chose the Corsa Sport system because of its great fit, high-quality materials, and it delivers an aggressive sound. I'm giving it a 4 out of 5 on the loudness meter, and here is a quick before and after sound clip. This exhaust is designed for those who are looking for not only an upgrade in sound over stock, but also an upgrade in appearance. This Corsa exhaust features mandrel bent 304 stainless steel construction with twin 4-inch gloss black tips. The black tips are an upgrade when compared to the factory/exhaust that really is lacking any tip at all. And they complement the wheels that I've chosen pretty nicely. Don't let its sleek appearance fool you though, this one packs a punch as one of the louder options for the new Silverado. We had a lot of fun with this exhaust. Corsa really hit the nail on the head with this system. It produces that aggressively loud growl on the outside, and you still get subdued exhaust sounds in the cabin with no drone while cruising. You want to be able to hear your exhaust without being overpowered by it while driving, and this Corsa Sport system delivers just that. Many truck owners choose to add a tonneau cover to their truck to protect the contents of their bed from the elements and would-be thieves. But they also deliver the added bonus of a more sleek appearance. There are many different styles of tonneau cover and they all have their pros and cons. I think the trifold style combines all of the best features you would want out of a tonneau, so let's get into why I chose this undercover Ultraflex tonneau for our first 5 mods. Trifold tonneaus are one of the more popular styles of tonneau because of their design. This folding hardcover not only provides protection from the elements, but because it is a hardcover, provides more protection from would-be thieves as well. This tonneau is constructed from heavy-duty aluminum and features a textured black finish with a light that slides into the rail system as an added bonus. In addition, the trifold style folds all the way up to the back of the bed in seconds and locks in various positions so you can still haul larger cargo. This undercover tonneau does all this while adding a sleek appearance with its flush design that complements your new Silverado. So that's gonna do it for my first 5 mods. I wanna hear what you guys think or what you would pick in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, for all things Silverado, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.